Compass Automation designed and built two identical machine tending and inspection systems for Axly production machining, part of the Gemini Group.
Gemini Group is a diverse manufacturer of plastics and metals. With 15 locations across North America and 1,800 employees, the company's manufacturing footprint is 1.3 million square feet.
Before the automation, we were using 2 operators running 4 machines, hand loading and unloading each part. It was time consuming and labor intensive.
What really sets Compass apart in this application was our ability to add a high-level inspection system with this machine tending process. That's how Axly really derives value from this, both the tending of the machines and freeing up operators, but also guaranteeing that they're getting good parts, not sending any defective parts to their customers. As part of the development of this system, Compass utilized our agile methodology in the mechanical design phase when we were trying to figure out how to inspect these parts. The critical dimensions and the inspection requirements were quite a challenge, and so we had to iterate on multiple inspection designs and different tooling, as well as different technologies to perform the measurement.
In 8 weeks of running, we did see a 30% swing in efficiency increases.
This was a great example of Compass's proprietary agile methodology coming into play and being extremely effective in the design and build of this system.
Integrating automation, such as the kind that Compass brought to Axly, is a priority for Gemini and critical for us to serve our customers in the best way possible going forward. We have only had Compass to Axly. We plan to invite them back to look at other processes and automation integration opportunities in other plants as well.